unless I'm going out and got some heels on. But before the heels, I'm wearing slides. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is the mixed edition. We love to mix it up over here with all types of products, from luxury to beauty to lifestyle. So if that is your vibe, be sure to subscribe. And to everyone who has already subscribed to me, thank you. I appreciate it. I really love you guys. Keep rocking with me because we just going up from here. And it's just gonna get better and better, and you guys are going to be the first people on the wave in helping me build this channel and platform. So today, guys, I have like a long overdue video. This is kind of like a mini haul, very mini haul, and a little bit of an unboxing. These are some items that I picked up from the Nordstrom's Anniversary Sale. That was about a month ago, and I just been hanging on to these items, waiting to unbox them with you guys. So let's get started. All right, guys. So here's my receipt. I only got 4 items, so this is about to be a really quick video. That's what we're going to start with. We'll start with the first thing that's listed on the receipt. I'll put this box over here for a second. So I picked up, always. I love doing unboxings, but the struggle be real. So guys, I picked up this little diamond, fake diamond pendant chain. And I'll have to get close up for you guys. As you guys know, I love necklaces. I may even need to do like a necklace haul or something like that. Drop down in the comments if you want to see that, or thumbs up this video if you want to see that. But anyways, this is a cute little diamond pendant. And the chain is gold. I don't know why I've been picking up so much gold stuff lately. Like this necklace that I have on, this is from American Eagle, and I love it because it's gold and silver, so I don't have to choose a side. But yeah, this is like really cute and dainty, guys. So let's move on to the next thing on the list. These are some cute little tennis shoes that I picked up for my son. By the way, guys, check out my latest video. I'll leave it somewhere up here. That is for my toddler, just a toddler edition haul. It has everything you want to see in it, all the clothes from Target, Carter's, Amazon, all the little Jordans and Nikes that you know, I've just been collecting, and be sure to check that out. Let me know what you guys think. But anyways, I picked these up from Nordstrom's. These are the Tony sneaker, and they are so freaking cute. They are in this camo, army fatigue kind of style. They're really cute. And again, they have this Velcro closure. And they would just slip onto his little foot, which we love over here. Yeah, so they have brown around the brim, army fatigue green, of course, and like black and like a tan color. So this would be nice when we get into fall and winter. Specifically fall, I bought these for. He can wear these with black, some denim, some army fatigue, of course, some khaki. So this is going to go well with kind of like his fall wardrobe. So Can't wait to see my baby in these. Let me take it all the way out the box. And these are my first time seeing these in person. So this is definitely a true unboxing. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, these look better on the website than they do in person. They look a little bit cheesy in person. I think if this bottom sole was just white, it would look a little bit better, or just black, or even brown. It would look a little bit better. But I think the camo around, the base just kind of cheeses it out a little bit. But they're still cute. They're still cute. And my baby, he's still gonna rock them. So we're gonna make them cute. So the next item that we have on the list are probably my two favorite items in this little haul. So I picked up some things from AllSaints. Actually, my cousin put me onto this designer like 2 years ago. I wasn't aware of them, but now I just like love all their stuff. So I picked up a few things from them. So we're gonna start with some little shoes that I picked up. And I have worn these, so this is not a true unboxing. I've already worn them because I just couldn't wait, and I love them so much. I picked me up some slides, and they have like the leopard print and the AllSaints logo going across the top. These are like so cute, guys. I'm really into slides. I wear slides all year round. As long as it's not snowing or raining, I probably have some slides on my feet more than likely. Or unless I'm going out and got some heels on. But before the heels, I'm wearing slides. So I picked these up regardless of going into the fall and winter months, because I just knew I wear these all year round. So guys, this is the last item in this haul. Hopefully I saved the best for last. This is a true unboxing. I haven't opened it just yet, but this is a tote from AllSaints. Again, I'm in love with that brand. So I wanted to pick up a few things while they had the sale going on. Okay. I'm gonna just take the filling out so we can kind of take a look. It comes with a little pouch on the inside. Let me see if it's detachable. Yes, it's detachable. Boom. And this is a lobster claw. This is a lobster claw attachment. Okay, that's cute. And they got the AllSaints on the hardware. And this pouch is sizable too. Yeah. It's like a quick little cosmetics, and it says AllSaints going across. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me take out the rest of the filling. And it has a snap closure. I wish it was magnetic. I really do. But it's a snap closure. Let me take this paper off the handles. Because it comes with the long straps and the short straps. And that's another reason why I picked this up, because I love the new trend with the bags to have the long straps and the short straps, because you just don't know, you know, what you might need. We need the versatility in our bags. I keep preaching that, and it looks like they're getting the hint. So you can kind of put this in the crook of your arm, or carry it top handle. And if you shopping, then you can throw it. Let me stand up a little bit. Then you can throw it on your side. Ooh, I love the way it hits on me. Like, it hits, the bottom of the bag hits like at the lowest part of my thigh a little bit. I'm short, guys. Y'all know that. Like, I'm short. I'm only 5'1". So, yeah, I love the way this hits. And it's like the perfect size. It's not too overbearing. It's small enough and big enough. It's big enough to carry what you need to carry in there, basically. But it's not so huge where it becomes like a hassle to even want to pick this thing up. And I just love the simplicity of it. I like how it has, you know, just AllSaints going across. It's not in white, it's just in black to just be minimal. And I love that. And they go cute with my slides. And actually, guys, they have slides that are all matte black like this, and I'm gonna pick those up as well. But by the time I went back to the anniversary sale, they were sold out, so I'm gonna have to get them possibly regular price. But look at that, y'all. Yes, love it. So that's it, loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, short, and sweet little mini haul of things that I got from the anniversary sale from Nordstrom. Be sure to tune in for more videos. And until next time,